Our gorgeous patient here has a little bit of fine line wrinkles. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of preventative Botox for these areas. This is a smaller amount of Botox that I'm using because she doesn't have deep inset wrinkles. Okay, so go ahead, raise your eyebrows, right? Forehead, frown for us, right in the middle, good. And then sides of the eyes, I'm probably gonna do a little bit there as well. Okay, that's gonna help really soften everything in a preventative measure. We're gonna do the forehead and the brow right now. Right now we're doing the lateral eyes. We're also going to get a little bit of a brow lift with this, which is always nice. This area is called the jawline slimming. Okay, they're made up of masseter muscle, which is a very strong muscle. It allows us to chew. So go ahead and kind of bite down a little bit for us. Okay, good, and then relax. So what this does, twofold effect. If you grind your jaw or you have a problem with grinding your teeth at nighttime, it helps resolve that. Helps with a lot of stress, and it also helps define the jawline and slim this muscle. So one of the most commonly neglected areas to fill is right here. It's called the temporal hollows. Okay, so adding a little volume here increases the youthfulness and adds a little bit more softness to the complexion. The other thing that this does, it allows us to give us a little bit of a brow lift right here when we fill here. So we do this is also part of a tiny little bit of a brow lift. This looks really good already. So we're using a product called calcium hydroxyapatite to fill underneath the eyes and into the cheek. Why I like this is because it has the highest lift factor, and it actually gets rid of a lot of the clearness of traditional hyaluronic acid filler. So it's opaque, so it doesn't look gray. Okay, so it helps replace the natural collagen there and lasts 1 to 2 years, which is the main reason I like it. We are now working on the rest of her chin augmentation here with the product calcium hydroxyapatite again. Why? Because it, most like bone, lasts 1 to 2 years and has the highest lift factor, G prime. Okay, so we're filling in the chin here because we're bringing out the chin and we're also extending the length. That's the biggest thing here. So we want a third, and hers is about 25%. So we're going to extend it out in this direction. So we're getting ready to start our liquid rhinoplasty. So our patient has a beautiful nose, but you can see there's a little bit deficient here, right? So we're gonna add some volume here to bring that down and to lift the nose in the upward position. Now this doesn't work for everybody, but she's had this in the past and it has worked. Normally filler is kind of great for the dorsum of the nose, but tip work can be a little bit unpredictable, but it's worked great for her in the past, so we're gonna do it again today. We did a bunch of procedures for you, so let's do a quick recap, okay? So we did our Botox for the forehead, the brow area, the sides of the eyes. We also did filler for the temples. A lot of that temporal hollowing is gone. We did the under eye, the cheeks, the chin, and we also did our liquid rhinoplasty for the nose.